welcome to another episode of Microwave Me. Erika's dirty from the mirror experiment, so I'm going to need to clean her up a bit by microwaving soap. Not just any old brand of soap. This one's special. Fels-Naptha laundry bar and stain remover. Stuff's really wicked powerful, so hopefully it gets Erika over here nice and clean. Here's the soap. I'm gonna put it in the microwave. Let's say 2 minutes and 15 seconds. Let's look at the soap cloud. Oh man, that's a nice one. I would say that's about like a dial cloud, or maybe like an ivory cloud. No, it's about like a dial cloud, and it looks like a deformed marshmallow Peep. So do I think microwaving special laundry soap is a good idea? Absolutely. It's safe, and it makes Erika smell nice, a lot nicer than that mirror did, and creates a nice soap cloud. So yeah, I would say good idea for this one.